In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox error code 403 in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this is basically triggers right after the loading screen when your local network token, a background VPN block, or a corrupted app cache folder fails to handshake securely with Roblox's server infrastructure. So you can clear the authentication block and load back into your game very quickly. So if you have any VPN, go ahead and close it entirely. What you also want to do is go over to your settings, like so. Go ahead and click on it, then go to network and internet and go to proxy. And then all you want to go ahead and do is under automatic proxy setup, verify that automatically detect settings is turned on. Under manual proxy setup, ensure use a proxy server is toggled completely off as well. And like it should be off right here. Now what you can also do is clear corrupted Roblox local app data caches. So what you want to do is press the Windows key and R, and then go ahead and type in percentage local app data percentage, then press OK. And once you're here, all you want to do is find your Roblox folder. So it's going to obviously be over at R. Mine is right here. And then all you want to do is completely delete it. Now what we also can do after you've deleted this is go back and then press Windows key and R again, and then type in percentage temp percentage Roblox, like so. And that's going to open up this right here. And all you want to go ahead and do after you find this is if there's any files remaining, delete them as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting as well.